Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome. Today, I want to share a message that might just change the way you see everything, a message of abundance, trust, and true prosperity. Let's start by affirming something powerful together. It is okay to have wealth. It is okay to receive money and to use it wisely for your good and the good of others. Money, like the tides, naturally ebbs and flows. Sometimes there's more, sometimes there's less. But when we learn to trust that deep, guiding power within us, we navigate these cycles with confidence. We know, deep in our bones, that abundance will always return. Now let's be real. Having more money doesn't magically solve all of life's problems. We all know stories of incredibly wealthy people who are deeply unhappy. So the real secret isn't just about accumulating more. It's about cultivating a mindset of profound gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude is the very foundation upon which all true abundance is built. I remember a friend telling me how guilty he felt when he was struggling financially. He couldn't repay the kindness others had shown him. But here's the thing. The universe gives to us in countless forms a helping hand, a compassionate ear, an unexpected gift. We aren't always meant to repay it directly to the person who gave it. Your time to give back will come, and it might not be with money. It might be with your time, your care, or simply your presence, and believe me, that is just as valuable. We often feel this pressure to immediately return every gesture, don't we? A lunch for a lunch, a gift for a gift. But what if we just received? What if we simply said, thank you, with an open heart and allowed that beautiful energy of giving to flow through us? When you accept a gift with genuine appreciation, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. I am open to receive. And learning to receive is just as powerful as learning to give. The more grateful you become, the more good you will naturally attract into your life. If you're facing debt or financial struggle right now, the most important thing you can do is to stop criticizing yourself. Forgive yourself. Let go of the shame. Shift your focus from what you lack to the abundance that is all around you, waiting for you to claim it. Start using affirmations. Visualize your debts being paid off, not with anxiety, but with a sense of relief and certainty. Focus on what is possible, not what's missing. So why is it so important to open your mind to receive? Because, for far too long, many of us have lived with a limited mindset for no good reason. We unconsciously block the good that is trying to reach us. Let me be clear, there is nothing noble or enlightened about living in lack. You exist in a universe of limitless abundance. It's time to start acting like it. To truly receive, you must first accept the good you desire on a mental and emotional level. Share your vision with the divine, with the universe, with God, whatever you call that higher power. Don't get caught up in telling everyone your plans. People, ideas, and opportunities are the channels, but God is the source. The source creates those channels and brings the right ones into your life at the perfect time. Here's a powerful affirmation I want you to repeat, to truly let it sink in. I do not depend on people or conditions for my good. God is the source of my supply, and He provides in amazing, unexpected ways. Say it until you feel it in your core. Now, if you want to receive more, you must also be willing to give. This is a universal law. There are 3 kinds of giving that are essential for long-term, sustainable growth. First, give to God. Put the divine first in your finances. This isn't about dogma. It's about aligning yourself with spiritual law and acknowledging the source of all your good. Second, give to others. This doesn't just mean money. Give your time, your compassion, your encouragement. A kind word can be worth more than gold to someone who needs it. And third, give back to the universe. Return a portion of what you receive in a spirit of gratitude and trust, knowing that the flow is cyclical and that giving creates space for more to come in. So many people chase success, but they never find it because they're solely focused on getting. They haven't learned that giving is what creates the spiritual foundation for true, lasting prosperity. When you withhold what you feel guided to give, you throw your entire life out of balance, and you will inevitably experience lack in some area. It's only when you let go of your small, fearful self that you can step into the larger, more abundant life that is waiting for you. The ancient wisdom of Solomon still rings true today. Honor the Lord with your substance, and with the first fruits of all your increase. So shall your barns be filled with plenty. In modern terms, put the divine first, give with a joyful heart, and the rest will follow. Now I invite you to close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. Let's anchor this new reality with some powerful affirmations. Repeat them silently or aloud after me. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity flows to me in every form. Today is a delightful day. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am moving from poverty thinking to prosperity thinking, and my finances reflect this shift. I welcome the deep peace of financial security. I am open and receptive to all the wealth the universe has to offer. New avenues of income are opening up for me now. I receive my good from both expected and unexpected sources. Now open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you. Live each day with the awareness that the universe is infinitely abundant, and so are you. Give with joy, receive with grace. Trust the flow of good into your life. What if I told you there's a method that, if you truly commit to it, you will never be poor again? No, this isn't clickbait. This isn't some overnight get-rich-quick scheme. This is real, proven, and it works if you work it. In this video, I am going to walk you through the exact mindset and method that separates the perpetually struggling from the financially free. So grab something to take notes with, get comfortable, and watch till the very end. Because this might be the last video you ever need to completely change your financial life. First, let's address a painful truth. Being poor isn't just about not having money. It's a system, a set of habits, a specific mindset, and often, the environment you're in. You see, most people are trapped in what I call the scarcity loop. They earn just enough to get by, spend almost all of it on bills and things they don't truly need, and then anxiously wait for the next paycheck to repeat the cycle. The real problem isn't always the size of the income. It's the system we've been taught to follow. Think about it. School didn't teach us how to grow money, how to invest, or how to build assets. It taught us how to be good employees. And that's the fundamental gap this method is designed to fill. Let me introduce you to what I call the 4-step wealth method. It's simple in principle, but it demands consistency. Are you ready? Step 1. Build high-income skills. This is the absolute foundation. Money follows value. The more value you can provide to the marketplace, the more money you will attract. Stop chasing jobs and start building skills that are in high demand. I'm talking about things like sales, copywriting, digital marketing, coding, or video editing skills that people and businesses will pay top dollar for. You can learn these skills online, often for free or at a very low cost. The key is to practice every single day. Stack your skills. For example, learn copywriting, then learn social media marketing. Now you can offer a much more valuable service. Remember, skills are assets that no one can ever take away from you. They are your golden ticket. Step 2. Save to invest, not to spend. This is a crucial mindset shift. Poor people save money with the intention of spending it later on a vacation, a new phone, or a car. Wealthy people save money with the sole purpose of multiplying it. I want you to set a clear target. Save at least 20 to 30% of every dollar you earn. If that sounds impossible right now, start with 5% and work your way up. The most important rule is this. Do not touch this money unless it's just for a strategic investment or to build an asset. A great practical tip is to create separate bank accounts. One for your monthly spending and bills, one for your savings, and one for your investment fund. Automate transfers to these accounts the day you get paid. Pay yourself first, always. This discipline is non-negotiable. Step 3. Make your money work for you. Once you've built up some savings, it's time for the magic to happen. You cannot let your money just sit in a bank account, where inflation eats away at its value every single day. You need to put it to work. You need to start investing. This could be in stocks, real estate, online businesses, or even a small portion in crypto, if you have a high risk tolerance. The key is to start, even if it's small. Start with what you know and what you can afford to lose. Consistency is far more important than a large initial amount. Compounding is a powerful force. It's slow and almost unnoticeable at first, but over time it becomes an unstoppable snowball of wealth. As the legendary investor Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Let that sink in. Step 4. Build cash-flowing assets. This is the final step to true financial freedom. You need to focus on creating or acquiring assets that generate money for you, month after month, without you having to actively work for it. What does this look like? It could be a YouTube channel that earns ad revenue, a blog with affiliate links, a digital product like an ebook or a course, a rental property members in rent, or even a small online business. These assets don't just make you money, they buy back your most precious resource, your time. And time, my friends, is the ultimate form of wealth. Underpinning all of these steps is the most important element of all, your mindset. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor isn't the money in their bank accounts. It's the thoughts in their heads. Rich people think long-term. Poor people think about today. You have to eliminate the language of scarcity from your vocabulary. Stop saying things like, I'm broke, I can't afford it, or I'll never be rich. Your words create your reality. Instead, start asking empowering questions. Instead of I can't afford it, ask, how can I afford it? Instead of I don't have the skills, ask, what skill can I learn to make this happen? Instead of I'm stuck, ask, how do I turn this problem into an income stream? Your brain is a supercomputer. If you feed it better questions, it will give you better answers. Listen, I need to be brutally honest with you. No one is coming to save you. Your boss won't make you rich. The government won't make you rich. If you stay exactly where you are today, mentally and financially, nothing is going to change 5 years from now. But if you apply this 4-step method, if you truly commit to building skills, saving intelligently, investing wisely, and creating assets, you will break free from the chains of poverty. This isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. It's a predictable path. So if you're ready to say goodbye to being poor forever, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content that will actually change your life. And let me know in the comments, what is the very first high-income skill you are going to start learning? Remember, your future wealth is built one decision at a time. Make the right one starting today. Thanks for watching.